Hi, this is Clyde Wallace with the XAH Foundation, and today we are reviewing Namesdao. This is a name service on the Chia blockchain, a CNS if you will. And one thing I want to point out initially is that all of these addresses will start with 3 underscores and then end in .xch. You can read through their guides and their info documentation to learn more about how to set up your name service, but we're going to go through a quick registration here. It is Orc Nation that has developed this name service, so do jump into their server, ask them questions. There's also a new server, Discord server, for the Namesdao as well. Links will be in the description of this video. I'm going to be using the Air token. It is a Cat2 token. I received mine from the Orc Nation in order to perform this video. And what we're going to do is we're going to send some of that Air token to a specified address. That address is listed in their documentation, so take a look at that. I'm going to use 0.001 Air, which is the equivalent of 1 mojo, and I'm going to have a 0 fee. Part of this, we're going to need our own receive address. So you'll notice I'm moving over to select my receive address. I am then going to go back and I'm going to look at the memo field. This is very important. Make sure you click that drop down so you can see the memo field. But this is where you enter the domain information. Start it with 3 underscores. And then I might want to do XCH dev. However, there's a 7-character minimum. So I can't just do XCH dev. I have to do XCH devs .xch. And that's going to be the domain that we're going to register through the Namesdao domain service. After we do XCH dev .xch, we need to put in our receive address. So if you notice at the beginning here, we have XCH devs .xch, and we have our receive address that we copied from receive. I'm going to hit send. This is going to the mempool. And after about 10 minutes or so, we're going to receive an NFT inside of the same wallet associated with that receive address. So within 10 minutes, you'll see that come through. Take a look at the rest of the documentation and get started on downloading the Python file noted. All right, now we have received the NFT. So you'll notice I've done one of these before and I did the XCH Foundation. However, the ones that we just did is the XCH devs NFT here. I'm going to scroll down to step 2, and step 2 shows you the Python file. One thing that the org team has indicated is that sending transactions right now is really for advanced users. I'm not going to go to that step, but I am going to show you one thing with the Python file that's really cool. And this is the resolve. What you can do is run Python 3, the Python file name, wallet, resolve, and then that domain name that you just created. And if it's registered to their site, it will come back with the XCH address that is registered. One thing to take note of is that your XCH address can actually change over time. If you click this new XCH address, it will change. However, verify the one that is registered, and that's the one that will be used.